How to log into JLL Career. Hi guys, it's Mikran from Tech Basics. Hope you guys all are fine. Today I'll be guiding you how to log into JLL Career. Login in JLL Career is quite easy, so without any delay, let's get started. Open your web browser, launch your preferred web browser on your computer. Visit JLL Career, type JLL Career, login into the address bar of your web browser and press enter. Click the first link, find the login option. Once you are on the JLL Career homepage, click on sign in located at top right corner. Enter your credential. On the login page, you'll typically see fields to enter your email address and your password. Input the email address associated with your JLL Career in the designated field. Then enter the password in the provided field. If you have forgotten your password, click on forget your password. And if you don't have an account yet, click on create an account. Click on sign in. After entering your credential, click on the sign in button to proceed. Verify if necessary. Depending on your account setting, you may need to complete a verification step. This could involve entering a verification code sent to your email or phone number. Access your account. Once logged in, you can explore job postings, apply for position, update your profile information and perform other relevant tasks. That's it, you have logged in successfully. If you liked our video, press the thumbs up and share button. If you have any question, comment down below and don't forget to subscribe the channel for more tutorials.